This is Science Mentor, and I want to introduce you one of the most applicable software in a computer that may you need it in your everyday work. By applying different number formats, you can display numbers as percentages, dates, currency, and so on. For example, if you are working on your quarterly budget, you can use the currency number format to show monetary values. Most of the time, numbers display the way you intend them to, whether you enter them in the worksheet or import them from a database or other external source. However, Excel occasionally applies an unexpected number format and you may have to make some adjustment as a result. For example, if you type a number that contains a slash mark or hyphen, Excel may interpret it as a date and convert it to a date format. Select the cells that you want to format. On the Home tab, in the Number group, click the dialog box launcher next to Number. Number format is used for the general display of numbers. You can specify the number of decimal places that you want to use, whether you want to use a thousand separator, and how you want to display negative numbers. Also, you can choose the format of negative numbers using its related box. For example, you can choose red color for negative numbers or put them into parentheses. Currency format is used for general monetary values and displays the default currency symbol with numbers. You can specify the number of decimal places that you want to use, whether you want to use thousands separator, and how you want to display negative numbers. Accounting also used for monetary values, but it aligns the currency symbols and decimal points of numbers in column. Date and time formats display date and time serial numbers as date and time values, respectively, according to the type and locale that you specify. Those formats that begin with an asterisk respond to changes in original date and time settings that are specified in Control Panel. Formats without an asterisk are not affected by Control Panel settings. For example, start date is generally the first 1900, and when you use number in the cell, it will be counted from that time. Percentage format multiplies the cell value by 100 and displays the result with a percent symbol. You can specify the number of decimal places that you want to use. Fraction format displays a number as a fraction according to the type of fraction that you specify. You can use up to 2 digits. As halves. Or up to 1 digit. Scientific format displays a number in exponential notation, replacing part of the number with e plus n, where e, which stands for exponent, multiplies the preceding number by 10 to the nth power. You can specify the number of decimal places that you want to use. Text format treats the content of a cell as text and displays the content exactly as you type it, even when you type numbers. A special displays a number as a postal code, zip code, phone number, or social security number. For instance, phone number is chosen and you can see the result. Or zip code you can see. In custom allows you to modify a copy of an existing number format code. Use this format to create a custom number format that is added to the list of number format codes. You can add between 200 and 215 custom numbers formats depending on the language version of Excel that is installed on your computer. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.